today we're making a really awesome Lego set.
Yeah, we got the Speed Champions. So, let's get it unboxed.
Let's open it up. Yeah, open. Ta-da! There's a lot. Pieces.
So, we've got some instructions.
And stickers.
Yeah, for the cars. Right, I assume this is one car and that's the other car.
Yeah, this looks like the black car and that looks like the red one.
Yeah, so.
Where's the Lego men? Oh, I see here. They're
No,
inside.
they're in these bags.
Yeah.
Right, so.
Let's start with the red car.
So if we build both of them at the same time.
Oh yeah, good idea.
If you do the.
Can I do the red one?
Yeah, you can do the red one. Yeah. You want that book?
Oh, okay. Then we want that book.
Yep, I'll need this book. Right, let's go. Car's all done.
Can't get this off of this, so I can't finish my car.
There you go, look at that. So guys, the cars are done. We are finished. you think about that?
It's fun.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Should we have a race?
Yeah. Now look, my thing comes up and down.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, let's do this. Where are we getting to the end?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That means I need to get out now. Is there one?
They're really good though, aren't they?
Nope. Okay. I win the prize.
Yeah. So which card do you like best?
I like the red and blue one best.
Yeah, it's a nice one, isn't it? I like the spoiler on it. It goes up and down.
Yeah.
It took a long while to make them though, didn't it?
Yeah, long something.
Yeah. So you get the awesome black car, you get the blue and red one, and you get the podium as well.
Why are you
Finisher's
higher
podium.
than me? I'm number 1. How do you get higher than me? I'm meant to be number 1.
So that was the Lego Speed Champions unboxing and play.
Yep.
What do you think of the Lego set?
Super fun!
Yeah? What do you give it out of 10?
9.
Cool.
9 out of 10.
So all in all, a good set then.
Yep.
Awesome.
The only thing bad about it is that it took a long time to build.
Yeah, it
There
did
you
take
go.
a long time, didn't it?
Yeah. There you go. I won, so I get that right now.
So who won then?
Me. I won the race.
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I'm not going on the podium though. I'm just going for another drive.
Go on then.
Whee! Yay! So much fun. Thanks for watching our awesome video. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.